Mimi
and Sisi.
And today we are going to be showing our squishies, right? Squishies. And today we have a special guest star, and her name is Lulu.
Hi guys.
And so we're going to be showing all our squishies. She's going to show hers. I'm going to show mine, and she's going to show hers.
Let's get started.
Yeah, Sisi's going to go first. So I'll be back in a sec.
Sisi's back, and I'm going to talk about my squishy owl. I got this for Christmas. My favorite owl. She is my favorite owl in the whole world. I just want to squish her all day. Hi guys, it's Lulu, and I'm going to be showing you my squishes. First one, cinnamon roll. Oh, I love this. My favorite. Look how squishy it is. Put them in water, and it'll make them like so soft and squishy.
Good advice.
Okay, here's my other squishy, my second favorite. I love it. Look at that. Now I got these from Walmart. You can get them really anywhere. Close up of these. I like the green mint and stuff. This probably looks the coolest.
Yeah. Okay, next squishy. So Mimi's here, and here is my strawberry squishy. It smells so good.
She will never stop smelling it. Like when I FaceTime her, she'll smell it. When I come to play, she'll smell it. I'll tell her, never stop smelling it, Mimi. Sheesh, you're smelling it way too much.
So anyways, this is my squishy. It smells so good, and it's really good at squishing. Squish, squish. Okay, this is my next squishy. It's a giant ice cream, which actually Lulu traded to me. Come in the picture, Lulu. Okay, get back behind the camera.
Ow!
And Lulu gave it to me. Guys, I'm sneaking to squish all our squishies. So this is her first one. Squish, 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 squish. This is her second one. This is her third one.
Close up, look at that. My brother bit. But it's fun to go like this too. It's really squishy. Probably squishy than all my other ones. Close up.
She loves squishing it like when she doesn't.
Yeah, I like going and it looks like kind of like a tomato. Hey, stop it. That's Mimi doing that. Ready?
Close up.
Close up.
I just zoomed in.
Okay.
Oh. Sisi's not here right now, but we will squish all our squishes. Alright, let's get the squishes! Let's get the squishes! Let's get them. Okay, get them, get them, get them.
No, my eye.
Video looking, we want to squish them all! Squish!
Oh, we're talking about squishes.
Okay, thank you for watching. Maybe Sisi's not here to say it right now, but thank you for watching.
And please give this video a big thumbs up.
And like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Hi guys. Ow! Okay.
Shake it. No.
Wait, what? No! Stop. At the end, don't go until.
It's not recording.
At the end, stop. Don't go yet.
No, it's not going.
At the
Oh,
end
yes,
of the
it is.
video. Hey, but can we add the bloopers to the video?